We have a new baby.
Yep,
He's so cute. Cammy, how did you find him?
I found I was walking to appointment and found in the ground, and the first thing I thought was, oh, it's died. But I don't know why I did like this, and I saw him again. It was moving, and I thought, okay, I need to take with me. And now we have a new baby.
And we need to go get some food for him. I think lentils.
Lentils and something for the food. Yes, a new picture. Woo!
And we're gonna go to our favorite cafe. Vamos.
Vamos with our baby. It's hard.
Let's get a coffee.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Our baby, because maybe outside is too cold. Say no, don't leave me alone. No.
Let us know down below. Are we good parents or bad parents?
What do you want? No more food. You already eat. I already give you food. Where's it going?
The mum of our baby.
No.
We're sorry, bird, but we need to have our favorite coffee. Almond croissant. Croissant. I think we just found the parents of our bird. Why did you abandon our babies?
Oh, yeah.
They probably think we took the baby.
Yep. And now it's mine.
I think it's my teeth.
I have two. Yes? Yep. Today. It's warm.
Okay, we decided to come back to the house because we're tired. I'm gonna clean Cammy's room. Much better.
Yeah. A lot much.
Oh, the little buddy. Okay, I dropped Cammy off at work and now I'm left with the baby. So now we're gonna go get some groceries and food to feed him. I am gonna put him back down on the floor. At least if he's in the shade, he can be nice and cool. Oh, I have a lot of things I need to do tomorrow. For my lip. Yeah, let's see how our little man is doing. Whew, he's all good. Okay, I'll quickly bag up all my groceries, then we'll make our way home. Hey buddy, you're hungry. Get him home and get him something to eat. Righty up, we're back home and I'm gonna have to be really careful with this bird, honestly, because the owners of the house that I live at have cats. So I have to make sure, oh hey buddy, he is either out of reach from the cats or within my sight at all times. And while I get all my things ready, I'm gonna place the little guy up here. Right. Righto, my hair looks like a mess, but I've got everything inside. Now I'm gonna feed him some of my granola. I hope it's gonna be all right. Righto, so I've got the lentils cooking, and honestly I have no idea how you even cook lentils, so I just assume you cook them like rice. What am I doing? I'm not a cat, I promise. Right, so now that I've cooked about a metric ton worth of lentils for this bird, I'm going to grind it up into a paste so that I can feed him properly. Alright, ignore my hair for a second. So what I've done is I've mashed up some of the lentils and I'm just trying to grind it up into the smallest pieces that I can. As you can see, he's a really hungry boy. It's time to put our baby to bed. Good morning! He made it through the night, okay, so we're just gonna give him some food.
Lentils.
The fact that he's made it through 2 nights now makes me think that there's no like injuries or anything wrong with him.
Yeah, but the dad, he made this really strong. Yeah, baby. Why you wants to, baby?
We've decided to put him out on Cammie's balcony for a little bit to get a bit of sun. And by the way, look at the view Cammie has from her house. I'm jealous.
I know.
So for breakfast this morning, we have got chicken, tortillas. For breakfast, we have made tortilla with guacamole, mozzarella, chicken, eggs. Delicious. Look at this view, by the way. The syringe.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, so I just had a shower, feel nice and fresh. This is probably going to be the last time in the video that you guys will see the bird, because after this I'm going to go drop Cammie off at work and she's going to take the bird with her, and then I need to go and get myself ready for my work week, which starts tomorrow. Let's say goodbye. I will quickly show you guys what we've done with the food and give you sort of a heads up of what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days with the bird. So as you can see here, we have blitzed up all the lentils into a big container with water, and Cammie is going to go and buy something, hopefully, which will make it easier to feed the bird. And if you guys want to see daily updates of the bird, you can head on over to our TikTok, which is the same name as our YouTube channel, and Cammie is going to be uploading daily updates of the bird on there. Rightio, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this week's video. We are planning to do a big video, an interesting video for next week. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.